Hey everyone, welcome back to HowTechs. Today we have an iPhone 7 and we're going to show you how to change the brightness. So this is super simple and fast. You just want to go to the settings menu and you can go to display and brightness, and then brightness is right here. So that's the standard way of doing it. You also have other options as well. So if you haven't already, check out the new control panel shortcut that comes up on iOS 11. And in this case, you can see you can actually adjust brightness directly right here. One other interesting thing is if you hold this down, if you have force touch on your phone, then it brings up even bigger menu. And you also have the option of doing night shift. And night shift is the thing that basically makes the colors a little bit dimmer and warmer so that the brightness of the phone doesn't affect your sleep schedule. So you can basically turn this on till 7, and now you can see the phone just feels a little bit more orangey. So as you can see, the general colors of the phone have gotten a lot warmer. Okay, so that's it for changing the brightness on an iPhone 7. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comment section below. Do give us a thumbs up if you found this video at all helpful, and consider subscribing. And definitely check out our other how-to videos for the iPhone 7 and many other popular phones here on HowTechs. Thanks and bye. Okay, so one more thing. Let's just try out the pen just for fun. So as soon as you take it out, it seems to know.